Pregnancy is full of surprises, and sometimes what you learn can be shocking. You'll find yourself becoming a master assembler, and yes, always having one less screw than you need. You'll be smelling the entire refrigerator looking for that one scent that's making her sick and tossing out perfectly good food. And by the end, you'll learn that outsourcing foot massages is a good thing. But at the end of it, it is all totally worth it. Hey dads, welcome back to the Dad Coffee Chat, and in this video, we are going to dive into the incredible journey of pregnancy, breaking it down by trimesters. We're going to talk about how your baby grows, what changes your partner's body goes through, and some things to keep in mind health-wise. So, grab a coffee and let's get to it. All right, let's start with the first trimester. This is when the foundation for everything is laid out. Around week 3, that fertilized egg implants itself in the uterus and your baby is officially on board. By week 5, the embryo is the size of a sesame seed, but it's already starting to develop a brain, a spinal cord, and heart. By week 8, arms, legs, and even tiny fingers and toes are forming. And by the end of the first trimester, about 12 weeks, your baby's about the size of a lime with all those major organs developed. But while all this amazing growth is happening, it's also a big time of change for mom. Those hormone levels, especially progesterone and estrogen, increase a lot, which can lead to that morning sickness, fatigue, and a lot of emotional up and downs. Her body's working hard to support that little one. During the first trimester, morning sickness is common, but if she can't keep any food or water down, you might want to consider checking in with your provider. Fatigue is also normal, but if she feels extreme dizziness, definitely let your provider know. And finally, keep in mind this trimester carries the highest risk for miscarriage, so be there for her emotionally and let her take it easy. Moving into the second trimester, weeks 14 through 27, things start to feel a bit smoother. This trimester is often called the honeymoon phase of pregnancy because many moms get that boost of energy and they start feeling like themselves again. Baby's growth really picks up here. Around week 18, you might find out you're having a boy or a girl at the anatomy scan, and by week 20, your baby's about the size of a banana and even has tiny fingerprints. By week 24, they're developing a sense of touch and hearing and may respond to sounds, including your voice. As baby grows, mom's body continues to change too, and you'll probably even start to see a baby bump. She might feel baby kicks or movements around week 18 or 20, which is really incredible, but she may also get some new symptoms like back pain, leg cramps, and heartburn. There are a few important things to watch for in the second trimester. Preterm labor is one, so if she has regular cramping or contractions, call your provider. Around week 24, she'll get tested for gestational diabetes, which is a condition where her body struggles to manage blood sugar. And keep an eye on blood pressure too. High blood pressure could be a sign of preeclampsia, which can be dangerous if untreated. Now, the third trimester is all about preparing for baby's arrival. Baby's gaining weight fast, about a half a pound per week, and by week 32, their skin is less wrinkled, they're practicing breathing, and by week 36, they're just about ready to meet you. Your baby will start to move lower in the abdomen or drop, preparing for birth. Their lungs are maturing, and they're gaining more body fat to regulate their temperature after birth. During this time, your partner's body is also changing too. Her belly is at its biggest, which means back pain, shortness of breath, and probably swollen ankles. Sleep might be hard to come by, and she'll likely need some help with those everyday tasks. Health-wise, keep watching for those signs of preterm labor, especially if contractions become regular before 37 weeks. Preeclampsia, which involves high blood pressure, can still be a risk, so don't skip those prenatal appointments. And finally, she'll be tested for group B strep around week 36, which can affect the baby if untreated during birth. So there you have it, 3 trimesters of growth and change and preparation for one amazing journey. Just remember, each pregnancy is unique. Be there to help her, support where you can, and keep communication open with your healthcare team. Thanks for joining me on the Dad's Coffee Chat. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe for more tips on supporting your partner through pregnancy and beyond. Cheers to fatherhood, one coffee chat at a time.